Hi, my name is Dave. Today we're going to look at the Unitron Tripower telescope. This was advertised by Unitron in 1955. It was sold by Unitron in a particular way, but other manufacturers, other sellers had almost an identical telescope. Some slight subtle differences. I have one of those here to show you so that you can compare that. They also made a special attachment for Unitron telescopes that does the same thing, slightly different. This is integrated into the telescope. You can't pull it out, at least not all the way. So this is all part of the same telescope. The focal length of this telescope is 500 millimeters, which would bring it down to about there somewhere. But there's an image erecting system inside here. This Tripower device has an image erecting lens system. You look right through here. The powers are variable. You have 20 power, 30 power, and 40 power, depending on how you rotate the eyepiece holder. Okay, let's take a close-up look at this Unitron Tripower telescope. There you can see the unique rotating head. Very primitive Altaz mount. Extremely wobbly tripod. Barely an excuse for a tripod. Now I've got the Unitron Tripower set up next to one of the generic versions of the same scope. As you can tell, it's almost identical, 60 millimeters of aperture. It's got the same 500 millimeter focal length. There are some technical slight differences down here, but basically it's the same scope. And here's a couple of ads showing different sellers. Okay, let me show you what I mean here by the strange draw tube thing. This is kind of unique. I don't think the other ones did it this way. This draw tube, this thing comes out only to a certain extent though. And then, there you go. And of course, let me demonstrate how, this is a straight through thing, so you're looking right through there. You would rotate it with the nice inadequate Altaz mount. You rotate it like so, and then like so. It was probably smoother when it was new. It's a little bit stiff. I don't think I'm going to go to the trouble of opening it up and lubricating it. Anyway, that's how it's designed to work. To make things even more interesting, Unitron, or at least Nihon Seiko, offered a different version of this device. Now this is stuck inside the telescope, and it has an image erector in it. This one is removable. It does have an image erector in there, but this will fit into any Nihon Seiko, Unitron, or Polarex. They're all the same thing. It will fit into any of those scopes. Also, in addition, these eyepieces are fixed. These are changeable, so you can change from one eyepiece to another. Standard Unitron or Nihon Seiko 965 eyepieces. And it rotates in exactly the same way. So, that's just to make things even more interesting. I'll show you a close-up of this side by side, so just so you can get an idea. I hope you've enjoyed having a look at this very strange and unique Unitron Tripower telescope from the 1950s. Thank you very much for watching.